Welcome to ECRC's Home Gardening. This video is going to show you how to get started. So there's a few things that you're going to need to get started. You're going to need here some potting soil, some seeds, some water, and of course, a container. So something that you're going to need to do is you're going to need a container and a knife. And you're going to need to make sure you put some drainage in there. So the next thing you're going to want to do is put soil into your container. Then you're going to put a hole in the container with your thumb, just a little hole for the seed. You're going to put some water in there, and that's going to help your little seed get the water it needs right away. You're going to put your seed into the hole. And then you're going to gently cover the seed with soil. Okay, and then you're going to water it one last time. Give it a nice good soaking. You want that soil to be nice and wet. Now that you've got your seed planted, you want to make sure of three things. The first thing is that it gets enough sunlight. The second thing is that it gets enough water. And the third thing is that seeds require time to grow. You're looking at about 7 to 14 days until your seeds become sprouts.